Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off speedometer in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off speedometer in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner and this kind of interface will appear. Now we will be required to tap on the settings option over here, which is just below your data in maps. Tap on settings and over here scroll down to the bottom and you can find your navigation settings over here. Tap on navigation settings and over here again will be required to scroll down and you can see, guys, at the bottom there is the driving options category over here and there is the speedometer. Now in order to turn that speedometer off, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the speedometer and then the speedometer in Google Maps will be turned off. And so guys, this is how to turn off speedometer in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.